What are we gonna tell our children when it's all gone? How we sold it all, even the last rhino's horn. Human nature is killing Mother Nature. Where is the fun in this bloody torture?
Let's join together, stainless one. Sigoruni tamtarako, sigoruni mamotika. Hawetwe, tutakami tenye rhino.
Open up your eyes and see the future is inside of we. Violently, they're killing our pride, I grieve. While we standing on the side of peace, but we cannot compete unless we all stand together. Hand in hand, we should stand, make a plan forever because
Matukeberaira shike, obanashe shivakuru. Matukere onga shike, shimave tumunu, maveke tuhorere, mave ya tambu yetu.
and I don't want that day to come. So I will let these statements run to the state house. Say how we can make a change for once, because I don't want that day to come. Do you?
We have to stand together.
Let's save the rhino.
Or we lose it forever.
The precious animal.
We have to stand together.
Stand together.
Or we lose it forever. We have to stand together, hey, or we'll lose it forever. We have to stand together, hey, or we'll lose it forever.